These ribs are truly fall-off-the-bone tender, and you won't need an oven or a grill to make them. Stick around till the end because this one is so good. Before we boil the ribs, we need to remove the thin membrane on the back. Using a knife, loosen one corner, then peel it off with your fingers or a paper towel for a better grip. This step matters. It makes the meat more tender and lets the flavors soak in properly. Cut the slab of baby back ribs in half so it's easier to cook. Place the ribs into the pressure cooker or a regular pot. Add freshly crushed black pepper, bay leaves, pork cubes, and salt. Then pour in water, just enough to cover the meat. Let's bring this to a boil. If you're using a pressure cooker, cook for about 1 hour and 30 minutes. If it's a regular pot, boil for about 2 hours or until the meat becomes tender. While waiting, let's make the sauce. Combine barbecue sauce, garlic powder, paprika, tomato ketchup, brown sugar, salt, and liquid seasoning. Mix until well combined. Once cooked, rinse the meat to remove the scum that forms while it's boiling. This step keeps everything clean and gives you a better-looking final dish. Let it rest. Pour the sauce over the tender ribs, making sure every piece is fully coated. Fry the ribs until a golden crust forms. This gives the outside a nice texture and extra flavor, while keeping the inside perfectly tender. Keep basting the meat with the sauce as it cooks, so every side gets that rich, caramelized coating. Then, pour in the remaining sauce. Cook over low heat until the sauce thickens and clings to the ribs. This is what gives you that deep, glossy glaze. And there you have it. Look at that. It's really falling off the bone. This is perfect with rice or as a party snack. If you try this at home, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.